Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. It comes to us for tune-up, and when I tested I found out like there's a burned wire here. It was like about to, and it was like cracked from all that side. So I did replace it and make rewiring for the machine, replace the group head gasket. This one was like, I guess, yeah, here is it. It was broken from many spots, and get descale the machine, give it 2 cycles of descaling. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso. Oh, actually, I'm not gonna make espresso shot because like I don't have the portafilter comes without it, but I align the gasket very well. I don't like to borrow portafilters from other customers' machines, but still I test the pressure and everything was perfect. So let's go ahead and try to go in the shop. So that's perfect from, and let's test the hot water. Perfect too, and the steamer that needs a bit till it gets hot. I don't have milk here, but I'm gonna test it with the rinsing water. So that needs a little bit until it gets hot. As you can see, steamer is working perfect. It's boiling now, so that works perfect. I supposed to turn it on earlier, so it's given like a little bit faster. Okay, so the machine functioning perfect now. Thank you for watching.